Hi, welcome to Excel Magic. There are many situations wherein we need to copy data from multiple columns. In this sheet, this is a list of students with the data: admission number, name, gender, DOB, date of birth, and marks. So this group of students is promoted to next class along with some other students, along with some new students. This is list of the new class. So for new students, anyway we have to enter data manually, but for old students we can gather data from previous sheet, and these are three columns which we need to fill. Doing one by one is going to take a lot of time, so our task is to put Vlookup for all these three columns in a single step. So let's learn how to do it. See, these are the three columns. You probably will think it's not going to take much of time, but there can be situations where you need to copy some 50-60 columns. So see, if you are going to put Vlookup one by one column, how much time it is going to take. So we can Vlookup for all those columns in a single step. So first of all, we need to add a row below the header in the sheet from which we need to copy the data, and we need to put one in the column which is going to be reference column, and then proceed with the counting like this. Now we have to come to the sheet in which we need to collect the data. First column is gender is equal to Vlookup admission number. Admission number is the unique thing in both the sheets. Then we need to select the data, comma, and then we need to select the cell number wherein the column number of the gender column is mentioned. So this is the most important thing to be remembered. We don't have to write the column number numerically, but we have to select the cell in which the column number is written. So we have selected E2 from sheet 1, comma, false because we need a correct value, enter. So the data has come, but then we want this to be dragged both vertically and horizontally, so we need to carefully put up the dollar signs. For example, we need admission number in the column D. So column D is going to remain the same for all the selections, so we have to put dollar before D. Row numbers will be changing, so we'll leave 4 as it is. The selection data is going to remain the same, so we will put dollar sign before C and G. And now in sheet 1, we'll come to sheet 1. Sheet 1, this row is going to remain the same, columns will be changing, so we'll put dollar sign before 2, not before E, because columns are going to be changing, and row 2 is going to remain the same. Now we can I'll just put this formula in front of you in the screen so that it is visible to you for rest of the video. I'll just broaden the fonts for the formula. So now our task becomes simple. We simply need to drag this the format of DOB needs to remain the same, so we'll just copy format and paste the format so that it is like date format. We had dragged it horizontally, and we can drag it vertically also, vertically down. So for all the old students, we have gathered data from the previous sheet, and Puneet, Mary and Radha are the new students, for which anyway we need to put the data manually. So it will easen out the task and will take a very short time. Thank you for watching this video, and if you would like to keep looking for the new magic from Excel, like my channel and subscribe. Right, thank you.